We out here, we in Puerto Rico. We doing it so big, man. We got all kind of shit going on.
Ain't got no whip, driven by my ambition. Said I can't ball, called me a midget. Thought I had that switch, but I was just wishing. I had to switch up like street lights. Now without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, Markice Moore presents. Yo, actors, what's up? It's Markice Moore. Look, I can't say it plainly. In this acting game, your uniqueness is your superpower. Don't try to be like everybody else. Don't try to mimic another actor's style. Find your voice, right? And let that shine. Spend time understanding who you are and what you bring to the table. Casting directors don't just want to see if you can read lines or if you can do a scene well. They want you to bring your own uniqueness to it. So yeah, it's cool to practice different roles, but always let a piece of you shine through. The key to this game and longevity, again, is authenticity. That resonates and connects more than anything when it comes to casting. So be true to yourself, because that's what sets you apart in this industry. Be real, be you, and let your voice be heard. Keep it authentic. Sign up for my acting course, How to Become a Working Actor, by clicking the link in my bio. Peace. I'm a man on a mission.